Hey guys, today on Rich with Cars, I bring you Acura NSX. I'm gonna go on a quick review, so strap in, let's take a look. Acura NSX, in this case here into the North American market, was actually introduced in 2017. Not much has changed over the years in terms of things that they added to the vehicle on the different model years. This Acura NSX is actually in white exterior and goes very well with the black accents all around the vehicle, including the front grille, the vents on the hood, and some of the black trim on the side view mirrors as well. I love how they designed these multi-LED headlights. It's something that they use on a lot of the Acura models, but the way that they integrate it into this NSX really fits very nice. One huge thing that I love on the hood itself is these openings that you have on each side of the hood, but the openings are used for additional cooling and some aerodynamics. Off to the side here, now we have these wheels. These are aftermarket wheels. I love the way that the owner ended up choosing these wheels, to go with the entire design of the car. Behind these wheels you have 6-piston calipers with some massive brakes as well. Front wheels are 20-inch and the rears are 21. So he's got a staggered setup, but really nice. Very sharp, thin side view mirrors. I love how it's been designed and integrated onto the side of the car. This is probably my favorite part of this NSX. If you guys noticed, owner debadged this car, so basically it gives a much cleaner look. At the same time, I love the design of the taillights, and you can see over here you have a carbon fiber wing. Really nice. And then you get to see the engine here in the rear, and it's for display as well. You have centrally located exhaust with 4 tailpipes in there. So the interior over here, let's start off with the steering wheel. I love the shape of the steering wheel. It's not circular. It's sort of like a semi-squarish. You have a flat bottom, flat top, 3 o'clock and your 10 o'clock areas. You have sort of a little bit thicker wheel itself. And then you have some of your controls on the steering wheel, which include cruise control, trip information, and then you have a little scroll over here. Will give you some information about the vehicle itself. These are steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. I'm not crazy about the material once again. One cool thing that I love, which I'm not sure if a lot of people have noticed, this thing over here is actually a vent, and it's very well integrated into the design of the interior, but unfortunately you cannot adjust it. I do like the fact that they put some physical buttons there in the middle. Kind of makes it a little bit simpler to control some of the main functionalities of your AC system. I don't like, once again, this plastic. Pretty good overall. The owner of this particular vehicle actually did a small modification on the engine, which was he put downpipes on this, so when you actually rev the engine and you hear it from the outside, it really has got a very loud whine. It sounds phenomenal in my opinion. So I just wanted to show you guys part of the engine overview. This is part of the powertrain itself, which is part of the hybrid powertrain. And I want to show you guys under the hood, because it is a rear mid-mounted engine vehicle with some additional hybrid powertrain that's also situated in the front. I did mention that we do have 2 electric motors in the front, powering the front wheels. So now I'll just let you guys listen in on the exhaust sound after I finish telling you guys that this owner ended up putting some downpipes. I want you guys to actually have a listen on how it sounds. I hope you enjoyed this quick review on this beautiful Acura NSX. Once again, I want to thank the owner of this vehicle for allowing me to review this car. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to comment below, and stay tuned for the next one coming up. So see you guys around. Take care.